Umentri rangba ke jala Meghalaya konrad sangma ulaong bag sorar jala kadang abe kaiphod nakatnat puli ke bay day bagi kynram Pinemount HS School ulaong ru bakatnat kadang paj binia ia kani ke benta dang shen gino hikai gi kimi pa kumcu hina school gani ka school la dawa ban penbiang gi junong kam bakongsan ber kumcu ban wengno ek principal bamenta nakakam.
The education department and I've asked the chief secretary to examine this matter. It's a serious matter in the sense that the students and the school are suffering, and hence without pointing a finger or blaming anybody, my concern is really at the end of the day the students who are studying there. So hence whatever has to be done in the larger interest of the student community, especially the students of Pinemount School, the government will take necessary steps in that line. But the matter is being properly examined by the education department, and they will get back to us very soon on that. It's too early to say that because based on different information that come to us, if we start putting up a lot of inquiries, then we'll be doing only inquiries. So it's not possible to jump into it. But obviously, if we find that from the initial findings, if there are some substantial evidences that there is something wrong and we need to dig further into it, at that point in time we can take a call. But as of now, as I said, we have asked the education department to give us a report on what is the status of things and how we should move forward.